Hey everyone, this is Anurag here from Edutrainex PTE. I bring to you the latest repeated questions for speaking repeat sentence. For this month, these questions are all the latest and most repeated in the exam. Make sure you attempt all these questions if you are going to take the PTE test in this month. You can also comment below with your responses. If you are in luck, you might also see some of these questions appearing in the exam in this particular month. So let's begin.
Your car can park in the building behind the medical center.
This semester will be from October to January.
You need to pass a written exam to get your driver's license.
No crop responds more readily than careful husbandry and skillful cultivation.
He was an abstract expressionist painter.
There are various approaches to plagiarism across different university departments.
Students must submit their assignments by the end of the term.
There are several reasons for this lack of interest in corporate crime, compared with other types of crime.
Every European car maker has been on the blocks because of their dependence on diesel.
Evaporation is the process of turning liquid into gas.
Mitosis is the division of cells for growth and repair.
You can register your card at the University Student Center or the library.
I would like my assignment to be less than 2,000 words.
Please keep the keys with you because the front door often locks automatically.
You can add a salad to your meal.
Show your passport and boarding pass at the gate.
All students depend on their future.
You need warmer clothes for winter.
Students are allowed to bring dictionaries to the exam.
Control systems in manufacturing require a high level of accuracy.
Higher education means higher pay you will get.
If finance is a cause for concern, scholarships may be available.
Scientists are always asking the government for more money.
Many good methods can be used.
Early next year there's a major auction of his work.
Every European carmaker has been on the blocks because of their dependence on diesel.
One theory says that dreams help long-term memory.
The cafeteria is closed but the coffee machine is accessible throughout the night.
Not everyone wants to keep in touch with their old friends when they leave school.
In 2011, the population of the world reached 7 billion.
Before electric lighting, adults generally slept about 9 or 10 hours per night.
Even now, scientists still don't know whether animals dream while they sleep.
Emails are quick and convenient.
Students from different backgrounds can achieve a variety of qualifications.
We will change the classroom because this one is too small.
A car park permit can be obtained at the Student Service Center.
The students are supposed to assemble in the seminar hall before the announcement.
You are not sure that you can skip the sessions for Wednesday.
Find a bookstore situated on the main campus's northern side.
The vehicle he traveled in collided with a train.
I will try to get through it as soon as possible.
We often ask our students to get access to all sorts of services.
The program is running in partnership with several departments.
Your abstract should contain empirical evidence of your research.
I haven't done a lot of work in this area.
The semester was scheduled during the final week of the academic quarter.
Their new technology began local production of metal and leather goods.
Write a case study detailing an organization you are familiar with.
In the upcoming lecture, we will discuss the following pair of images.
Professor Smith's arrival for the lecture today will be delayed.